First part of the equation, remember the circle and the line in between. The circle and the line in between. Here is your H. In your H, it is connected right over here. In your I, it's an east-west rotation connection because the I is between here and here. I and I showed you two roadways between here, where I draw the straight line for I. Okay, I really don't want to do it, but I'm going to do it. Here I draw the straight line for I over here. This one line will connect I, and I, right? When we talk about a cube, two levels, okay, we'll be connecting one I here and one I here. This will be 6 numbers. I and I create 6 numbers, right? The first I goes in and creates 9 and 9. How does it do that? Because it goes into the next level. Goes into the next level. Here's the I here and the I here, right? Should be split apart. Here's a moon here. Let me see, there's a moon over here, right? There's a moon over here. In fact, maybe this should be empty space. Do you know why it's empty space? Because according to this design, right? According to this design, this is online. This is not online. This is the empty space connected by this. These are all eyes when you look at them. You see the retina on the both sides of the eyes comes together by an added piece, right? I just want to jump off the subject, right? You cannot connect circles together without having an extra piece like a star that will connect them together. Star system, circle. But the squares all come together like this. Okay, the stars can be interconnected while the circles cannot without an extra piece that goes in. I didn't want to talk about this. The one other thing I wanted to mention, right, is 857. 857. 857 is in the time, or 8 times 57 equals 400, okay, and 56, 456. That is the federation of F. D federation F. Feed. 8 times 50 is 400. 8 times 7 is 56. Time-wise, it is 480 and 57. Man in the moon. Creation of the 7th gate. 9 lives of the cat. This calculation, where does it come from? I'm going to show you in a second. When we add up, okay, 4 times 5 is 20 times 6. 4 by 5 is 20 times 6, 120. Add up 1 to 15. Add up 1 to 15. It equals to 120. 4, 5, and 6 equals to 15 plus 120 is 135. This word, A-C-E, spirit, Jack Star. Now, I'm only telling you this because that's what it does. The only way to hook it up, right? The only way to hook it up is with the Jack Star. Jack is 52 Earth. Star is the roadway, resident angel. 19 and 39 is 58. 5 and 8, 4 and 8, 3 and 8. It's just different levels of the same thing. Jack is Earth. Spirit Jack. 91 is the spirit. So we have that definition over here. 73. Oh, yes, there was one other thing I wanted to put into this video. It's this. If I have 62, which represents the queen, this is also a representation of transmission. You can have altered current 1 and 3. You can have angel AC also creates, the letter M also creates McDonald's. The letter for the letter M that comes out McDonald's is E-I-E-I-O, which is the 5th letter, and the 9th letter, which is E and I, creating the 60 minutes on the clock, 5959. E and I is O, 5959. The difference is 51, and that's Mars, 6 and 8. Doesn't matter what you do. 3 and 3 is 44, area space for creation. 6 and 4, 3 and 1, altered current, Zion, Israel. 4 times 6, 4 plus 6. They both are Roman numeral X10, 24, 24th letter in the alphabet. Reverse is number 3 in the alphabet. Reverse 10 adds 17. That is the gateway. Number 31. Inside of 31, we also have another number. Do you see the other number? It's 68. This will create 68. How many areas are on here on the telephone? There's 9 areas. There's 8 missing here. There's 6 missing here. 6 and 8. What other number do you want? 5 and 1? Well, that's 6 and 2 on the other side. So we just 3 times we got the same number. We got 2 and 3. We got 5, 4 missing on the other side. That's the number to the sun. 5 and 4 are reflective of each other. 5 missing here, 4 missing here. But on this side, this is 2 and 7. This will say red run. And this is 3 and 6. 2, 7, 3, 6. 2, 3, 6, 7. The spirit of 76 is the beat creation. B and E, the golden world. Gold, silver, iron, nickel, the sun. The dime is inside the cycle of the moon. The penny is in the creation of the moons of Jupiter. The quarter is 100, the 10-10 world, connecting of the stars. Because once you connect 1 and 9, 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 4 and 6, you've created a star system. 65 is the reverse of 21, 77, 3, 7 inside the red sun. The 6th day, the 9th month, the birth passage, 369. Creation of man in 9 birth, 3 of 6 of 9. Day of mound 6. Who made it the first base? Who made it the first base? What's on second? What's on second? Because who's wearing the hat, right? Who's wearing the hat? Who what? Who what? 23, 31, 46, 15 and 8, 23 and 23, 46. Hat, 21, 29, 39, 49, 52. 23 and 8, 31, 32, 42, 52. Earth, Earth X. Who made man? First base. First equals to 72. 39, 49, 59, 66, 72. Raphael, hold on. Now, I may have done this one already, and it's Halloween times 3, which is 912, or 3 by 4 is 12 equals 309, right? Which would be 963 will be Halloween. All zeros equal 6. Would also be 996. But we're going to just take Halloween times 3 is 912 plus 305 plus 912. 3 parts, 1 part, 3 years, 1 year, 3 years. This will equal 9. This will equal 2. This is 18. This is 21 and 29. Okay, there's a lot of things I can see it. 212 is a 10-10 world. 10 times 10 is 100 Fahrenheit. Creating 0.9 Celsius. So 0.9 and 0.9 is 1.8. Take away 0.8 leaves me off with 10. Okay, and I'm going to show you how this is done. 0.9 and 0.9, okay, equals to 1.8. Take away 10% or 0.9 leaves me with 0.9. Now I'm going to add on 32 or 0.32, and I am going to remove that. So that'll make 0.58. If I'm doing this right, this 0.58, it will further on and create 21 to the 7th gate. 52 Earth, the cube, the Earth, and it'll then create 85 backwards inside of itself. It's the cube of creation inside the matrix. And that's what this number ends up to be. So Halloween on the 304th day, this year it's 365. It is 1 day plus that moon, and that 1 day represents our birth. It's 10:04 is Halloween, so it's Roger Rabbit. I got my ears on for Halloween. It is 13 at the end of the month. 1013 equals to 41 and 21. DNA of the IT system into the cube. 2141. Well, my pen is now out. I'm not happy. Where did I get these numbers? It's on the 31st day. It's on the 31st day. of the 10th month, right? 7 times 3 equals 31. 5 times 2 equals to 10. 5 plus 2 equals to 7. 7 plus 3 equals to 10. Here we end up getting 17 with this one over here. Here we end up with 10, 10, 31, 31 and 17. 48 is the sun. 14 is the IT system that creates the DNA of the sun. 62 is the queen. 34 is the queen in creation inside DC. We minus this, we get 28 cycle of the moon. We add it, we get 96 rotation. So it's just basically what these numbers are doing now. If you need to go somewhere else and I need to find something, I'll have to use one of these things to get there. Raphael, thank you for watching.